What's it guys today? This video, guys, we're gonna put on the cartoon costume. Man, I already have the legs. Let's put it on. And the shoes here. So then we're gonna do in the video. You know. Okay. Okay. Let's flip it. I won't wait to roll, by the way. I'm gonna put the zipper up. Okay. Let's put the glove on. Okay. I'll put on the shoes. Yeah, we'll be right back. Okay. A picture on YouTube because I want to see. Okay, it's time to take it off now. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. So if you want more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.